Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
My question is regarding bid'ah. For example, if someone like every day after Maghrib he would like read Quran like 2 pages, is that considered or is that allowed?
He thinking and believing that reading these 2 pages after Maghrib every day is something blessed, he cannot do it after Asr or after Isha? Yes or no? Muhammad?
Like, I guess he just does it as a routine, I guess?
Yeah, so he's doing it because it's convenient. Whether it is after Fajr, before Dhuhr, he's not doing it because he says, oh, this is the blessed time of the day. If I miss it, I'm going to lose reward. No, he's doing it because this is his routine, this is his habit. Some people I know, out of health reasons, I used to do that a lot of the times. After every Sunnah prayer, they do 20 push-ups, 30 push-ups, just to keep the body healthy. Nothing to do with Islam. Would I say,
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum salam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, is wearing pink and yellow for men haram? Since in my culture, pink is considered a feminine color, and I heard wearing yellow for men is haram.
Wearing yellow as a color is totally halal, and there's no problem in that. Wearing clothes that are dyed with saffron and some herbs used to be a sign of the disbelievers. They used to wear such clothes, and that was prohibited in Islam. Now, wearing a t-shirt that is yellow is totally permissible. Wearing a t-shirt or clothes that are pink is also permissible because the color itself is halal. But if the culture, if the society, if the community would look at it as gayish and would look at you with suspicion, no, it becomes haram and you must avoid it. Alaikum salam.
So, Chef, I came across with some men who, out of curiosity, want to know what a woman looks like behind her niqab. And since they can't see her face, they try to find out by asking someone close to her, like her female friends or classmates, to describe her appearance. So I'm wondering if it's permissible for a man to ask about a woman's looks in this way, and would it be sinful for someone who has seen her face to describe her features to others?
Why would they do that? Why would they describe the face of a niqabi woman to a non-mahram? Is there a legitimate reason for that?
They just want to know, like, they're just very curious.
This is totally prohibited and sinful. It is not permissible to disclose such awrah to a non-mahram just because they're curious. Because if I come and ask someone else about her or about this one who's telling this non-mahram about that niqabi girl and about something that is so intimate or so private, she wouldn't like that. And this is backbiting, a major sin in Islam.